Reveal yourself.
And guess what? I have finally cracked the code in getting another free AI tool that we must all jump onto right now. Here are sample videos that I have been able to create from it.
Mango?
Niha!
The love of my life. I have finally found you.
Will you marry me?
I will marry you, my love.
I tried to recreate shots from my recent posted video which I created in Grock, which used to be free, but as at the point in time of making this video, Grock is no longer free, which is a very sad time for we creators out there who are constantly on the hunt for free AI tools. But if you look at what we have even created with this new tool, they kind of even slightly outperform what we even did in Grock. Now, just before I reveal the platform, I also want you to know that because of the level of quality that this platform offers, I can guarantee you that in the shortest possible time, this platform is no longer going to be free. As Grock has really proven to us that a lot of these AI companies out there will just introduce the tool, then over time, it is no longer free. Now, this tool is not totally free. However, they offer free credits, which means we can do our usual thing. Use many accounts, sign in, and once you exhaust it, get another account, log in again, redeem it. And the model you are going to get for free on this platform is Seedance from ByteDance. Let me show you the platform I have been talking about. Let's just go ahead and open Google. And all I need to do here is just to type in Byte Plus, right? And then let's just search for this. Just come right here. This is what we are looking for. The Byte Plus is the one with this particular logo attached to it. So let's just click on it. So now once it opens, this is the interface you are going to get. So all we need to do now is just to come here and click on sign up. And this is a very important step. Make sure you sign up and have an account before you'd be able to get free generations. And it opens this particular window right here. So what we are interested in right now is just to come here and say continue with Google. If you have a different email, or probably you want to use temp mail so that you can keep generating more and more unlimited number of times, then you can use temp mail to do that. So in this case, I'm going to select one of my accounts. I have several ones over here. So let me click on this particular one. It takes us to this particular window where they are telling us that they will be able to access our information via our email and all that. So just go ahead right here and click on continue. Right after that, it takes you to this next window again. Just go ahead and tell them that you've read the whole thing and then click on sign up. So we are almost there, but not yet. They are now going to ask you to prove that you're a human. So just hold one of these boxes and then bring it here to fill in the empty space. And after that, verification complete. So it's going to go ahead and now give us access to the platform. So this is the window that it opens for us right here. The next thing we do is just to come here and click on try AI models. Then it is going to take us to the page where we can now start generating our videos. And this is very exciting because we are getting access to one of the world's best generators out there, and we are getting it all for free. This is the interface we are greeted with. And as you can see, we do have first frame and second frame. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's basically creating two images, how you want it to start and how you want it to end. And then the AI will fill in between. So for example, with this particular shot you are seeing right now, this is the starting frame and this is the ending frame. And so we brought both together on this particular platform, and then I wrote this particular prompt. The roots of the trees grow out and merge. So after that, this is how the final results look like. So that is simply how first and second frames work. So it is a big deal for us to be able to use this for free on this particular platform. As usual, use this with caution. Now, if you look on the interface right now, we have, if you click here, you have all the various aspect ratios. For those of you creating for social media, straight content, portrait, you can use all the various ones that you have here. And then we have 16:9 for those of us creating for landscape, which is YouTube and computer screens and all that. And over here, we do have resolution. And the amazing part is that you can even do all the way to 1080 on this particular platform, guys. This is such a big deal. But to save credits, I will still suggest that you stay between 720 or 480. So in my case, I'll use 720 so that I'll be able to generate more before this account runs out of credits, right? And down here is also very important. Mostly when you open here, you realize that the number of videos per prompt would generate like 4 or 5 times, which would immediately consume all your credits. So make sure you've selected or pushed this to 1 so that it generates 1 video per prompt. That way, we are saving more credits to be able to do more in this particular regard. The top one is simply the number of seconds that you want. So the longer you push this, you'll be able to generate more seconds or less. And right after that, over here is output sound. Do you want to output sound or not? Now, if you have this off, you'll be able to generate more. If you have it on, you will generate less. But for those of us who create African folk tales or be able to create movies, having the sound effects already generated with the videos is a no-brainer. So always have this particular one on. And all the generations you saw at the beginning of this video, that is exactly how we created them, even including the dialogue. When I compare this,
The love of my life, I have finally found you.
and then the Grock version,
The love of my life, I have finally found you.
overall, the acting, coherence, and everything on this model is way, way, way ahead. As to how long this is going to be free, we don't know. But hey, this is the time to jump on to use this particular platform. When you run out of credits, all of a sudden, this particular button here, you may not be able to click it again. It is at this point that you may have to now sign out, use another account, and then sign in. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And if this was exciting, please make sure to leave a like on it so that other people will get to discover this video, because hey, we all want to be able to use this tool for free. So go out there and use it just before it gets late. If you do want to understand how to create AI videos of this nature, you are at the right place. This is the Africa Amaze channel, where we experiment with a lot of AI tools. We do talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. If you want to go step by step on how to create AI content, click right here and I'll catch you in that video. Until next time, as always, guys, keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.